Hello, hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. Thank you for making a tremendous job for viewing my videos. I'm new here. I've been making videos, it's now 2 months I've been making YouTube videos, and hereby my confession on YouTube since when I began making YouTube videos. For the first time when I decided to join YouTube, I had 0 subscribers, and I decided to find subscribers so that I can have the access to post videos that were more than 10 minutes. So I requested the people who were around me. That's where my journey began on YouTube. I requested people who were around me to subscribe to this channel, and I made it 50 subscribers. After I made it 50 subscribers, I started learning from the experts in YouTube how to make good content, how to create good videos, how to edit videos, how to upload videos, and there came a lucky pleasure to meet an Indian YouTuber. He advised me on several things that I will be sharing with you. Thanks to the person who has offered us his office, I pray for God to bless you more, to give you a good life. This is not my office. I just arrived at my job. When I go at my job, I'm not given an office. I'm always given the stuff to work with, and I go at my job place. But today when I arrived here, I requested one of my friends at the office, please could you offer me a place so that I can record, I can put down my content on video. So it's all about having a good relationship with people. It's all about bringing up new stuff, bringing up good videos on YouTube so that you can earn the recommendations of YouTube. Things like 400 hours of watch, things like 1,000 subscribers need you to learn, need you to stick on experts, to be taught. So today when I'm making this YouTube video, I have an experience, I have an exposure of 2 months on creating YouTube videos, on uploading YouTube videos, on learning how to monetize a channel, learning how to get to that peak of monetizing a channel. So there is a combination of very fast things on YouTube every YouTuber should understand, but here I'm bringing some few of them. It is all about, when you watch videos of big YouTubers, they bring random content. They always post anything they can feel like because they have the audience to watch, number one. Number two, when you watch videos from YouTube artists that have achieved already 1,000 viewers, they can post anything they feel like. They can post today they're in the vlogs, tomorrow they're traveling, tomorrow they're podcasting, because they have the audience to watch their videos. But for we beginners, for we young YouTubers who are trying to find the market, here is the special advice you are getting from me. Here is the special advice you're getting from what I've learned within 2 months of uploading on YouTube. I have created another account, that's Yusufu in Swahili, Yukoms in Swahili. So if you don't literally understand English, you can view my lessons in the Swahili language. I also create videos in Swahili language. The first time I was on YouTube, I decided to create videos. I decided to post videos. I had a meaning, I had a backup plan, I had something that was pushing me in my heart. After my dad died, I decided to create a platform where I could live history, create documentaries for people not to be forgotten. My dad was the special inspiration for me creating this platform. So you should have a big reason, and after you have had a big reason of being on YouTube, then you can learn so that you can achieve that goal that you wished. when I started creating YouTube videos, I just wanted to be making vlogs. I just wanted to be moving different places, showing people the culture, how people travel, showing people in the trains, showing people around the world, showing people on the airports, in the ports, visiting places that people will like to visit after they have seen me there and explaining about them. But as I'm finding a signature, as I'm finding a community tag that I will be known by this, I will be known by these videos, I'm learning, and I'm also teaching you to get there, to get 1,000 subscribers, to get 400 hours of watch. I know you can have watched very many videos teaching how to create good videos on YouTube. You might have passed through a lot of lessons how to create good thumbnails. You might have passed through very many lessons on how to achieve the goals on YouTube. But here are the simple things that I want you to take care of. Here are the things that I don't want you to forget while you are creating a YouTube account, because if you forget them, they will always be costing you. You will always ask yourself, why am I posting and things are not going on? I have two things that I want to pass through. The first thing is a combination of a heading, thumbnail, and a title. I'm talking about the combination of a heading, thumbnail, and the title you put on the thumbnail, because the heading and the title are two different things. The title is the real code of the video that people click on to watch, but when you talk about the heading is always those words that are always written on the thumbnail. You should really be very careful on the words you put on the thumbnail, because they create a connection between them and the heading. Big YouTubers don't speak that. I have not really heard anyone speaking about that, but experts taught me that. An expert has told me that, so I'm sharing this with you with a good heart. You must be very careful with the words you put on the thumbnail, on your photo of the thumbnail, with the heading that you create. Those words must be very connecting. The thumbnail should be having good content lights, good content colors. You should find those clear pictures of Microsoft, use them at the background of your thumbnail picture. It will make you be clicked on. I also myself, before I click to any video when I'm on YouTube, I must see that it is very interesting. I must see that this video, it is really creating something in my heart. This is what I'm looking for. So you should create a good thumbnail. You should create a good platform whereby people will be interested in looking at your videos. So after I've mentioned that combination of a good heading, good title, and a good thumbnail, I'm going to mention a combination of technique, upload, and work. Technique, upload, and work. So when I'm talking about technique, upload, and work, the technique of uploading your work should be very crucial. You should have more than a technique. You should be very precise, and in order to have a good technique, you first of all should understand which people do watch my videos. For example, you have fans in India. You should understand when are Indian people always online. You have fans in USA. You should ask yourself, when are people in the USA online? When should I post my work? And these things really matter. You won't grow on YouTube if you are ignoring these things. I'm really telling you, if people are not online and you upload your work will have a lot of work pushing it down, because it has been uploaded long time hours. But if you upload the exact time people on internet, people are always eager to acquire new work. People are always eager to be the first to watch good, new, interesting work, so that they can recommend it for others, so that they can even tell it to others. So when you are uploading and you want a good technique, when you are uploading and you want a good technique, you should first learn which time do my viewers view my videos, which time do my fans, which time do the audience that I'm posting these videos for, they're always online. It will help you, it will make your videos be on a ranking place. So amongst that point of good technique upload, you should not forget to put the description, to write the meaning of your video, to try to explain to the description what your video is about. Without forgetting, under that technique, you should scroll down to the YouTube studio after you have uploaded your video. Put there the tags, put there the thoughts of your video. How will people find this video? And I will be bringing up another video explaining how to put down good tags on your videos so that you can earn more, viewers, you can earn more subscribers, you can earn more hours of watch. So if you put this combination of the things that I've mentioned for you, you'll find YouTube becoming an easy platform. You can talk to me via the comments, you can ask me anything you wish me to teach you, how to begin a YouTube channel, how to ask someone to subscribe to your channel, the language that you should be using on YouTube. I have created 2 accounts, as I said before. I have Ucoms in Swahili, I have Ucoms in English. Perhaps you don't understand English, you are my countrymen, you can visit Ucoms in Swahili. I will be conducting lessons teaching people how to make good YouTube videos, how to earn this digital money. These 10 minutes are enough. My fans, I create short, interesting and very crucial videos. So all I need you is to subscribe to my channel, watch more videos, watch the vlogs that I've made with different people from around the world, German, Denmark, India. So all I want you is to subscribe to my work, join my journey. You know, YouTube works with subscription. You subscribing to my channel, you're opening up a new community, you're opening up a new culture, you're putting a hope in another family, you're putting a hope in another nation. And it is always by chance, it is always by love. It's not that everybody can accept what you're doing. You must believe in yourself. Anything you do, you must believe in yourself. I recommend you, I ask you, I request you to share, subscribe my videos, and make this platform a very nice platform for me. If you subscribe, you give me the energy to create more videos, to teach more generation. When I'm teaching here, I'm trying to portray to your community that we should not be robbers, we should not take drugs, we should learn this beautiful stuff that can make us earn money and make changes in our family. I wish you the best. I'm praying for all the peace and the works you're doing, all the jobs you're doing around the world to create any income in your life. I'm praying for them. YouTube is the place that you should first observe. Are you lucky? Do you have a talent? YouTube is all about a talent. Being on camera also includes a talent, but you might not be having a talent, but you're lucky. So it is a game change. Listen to me. You might not have a talent on YouTube, but you're lucky. You have a talent that you can show on YouTube. You can sing, you can dance. But when you learn these fundamentals, you learn the way how to upload your work. You learn the way how to find this journey very interesting. So I'll be coming out with another video teaching how to write good tags on your video so that your video can be searched and get new people to click on it. Thank you. I'd like to pray for this person who has offered me this office to record you these interesting videos. I'm really thankful for him. Let God continue blessing him, giving him good life. Thank you. I'm praying for you. Hope you will see these videos and hope I've created an alert. Why am I recording such videos in the office? But I'm only a YouTuber. I'm doing this for my fans. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in another video. Let's learn together. Share, like, subscribe, comment. Please don't skip that button without showing that love of subscription. Thank you. See you in another video. Love.
subscriber. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much.